Hey guys, so I firstly want to apologize for being super behind on uploading videos to YouTube. South America has been full on, which is great, but it has left very little time to edit. So I'm currently in Peru and I just finished a 5-day project and I was shooting the Salcante trek, and that is 4 days of trekking and it ends up at Machu Picchu. And at this moment, I'm currently shooting for the hotel that I'm in right now. I'm telling you this because when I get back to Canada in about 2 weeks, I'm going to be editing and uploading a lot more videos. I will also be explaining how I got the jobs that allowed me to travel and get paid at the same time. If this is something that you're interested in, then hopefully you can use a similar recipe to what I did. Perhaps you're considering long-term travel and a way to express yourself creatively. Or maybe you're just curious of what it was like to travel in South America. Either way, I hope you get some value out of the tutorials, the travel videos, and the how-tos that are coming soon to this channel. All right, on to a frequently asked question, and that is, how do I take great photos? Or sometimes people will send me a photo and say, how can I improve upon this image? Well, there are several ways to take a great photo, and for many people, it's the meaning or the story behind the photo which makes it great. But today, I'm going to be focusing on only one tip. So here's what I often tell people. If you want visually appealing photos or photos of high interest, do awesome, fun, unique things and capture it. Here are some examples to illustrate what I mean. Okay, disclaimer, for the illustration, I'm going to be talking about photos that performed well on Instagram. I realize this is not a perfect metric, as Instagram can be skewed and biased. However, we're just going to use it as a tool or indicator that many people liked the photo or thought it was good and fun. Okay, here's the first photo to show you exactly what I mean. This is John jumping off an iceberg naked. This wasn't even actually a photo, it was just a video still. Because when I was switching over from video to photo, John slipped off the iceberg and fell into the water. Oh man, it's so good. So this picture got reshared a few times and I think John gained around 900 followers from it. Okay, second photo. This is a photo inside a glacier cave. A roof of ice, very unique, very different. This is something that people don't often see and would think is pretty cool and make them want to visit a place like this. Okay, here's a few other photos of high interest or very unique. Here's one of a pink lagoon with a flamingo in it. Most liked photo ever is at Abraham Lake, Alberta, and has methane bubbles trapped under the ice. Another one is a sunrise over Vancouver. When we were in the city of Vancouver, it was super foggy in the city, and I was wondering, I wonder if we can get above this fog. So we went up to a mountain and a lookout, and sure enough, the fog was super low and flowing through the city and caused an amazing effect. And finally, another one at the sunset in Shanghai on a rooftop. So basically what I'm getting at is there are many ways to improve your photos. Framing, lighting, different lenses, and editing. However, doing fun and unique things is a great place to start. Now, this also doesn't mean you need to get on an airplane and fly to the most beautiful places in the world. Start this weekend. Find something interesting and fun near you. Cliff jump into water, climb a tree, a building, a mountain, go canoeing, go hiking, get up early for a sunrise or enjoy a sunset. And finally, go by yourself or go with a friend. But make sure that you have fun with it because at the end of the day, that is the most important thing. So if you find something fun, unique, or different, then capture it on photo. I would love to see that sort of thing, and I know other people would love to see it as well. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Say hi down below, and consider subscribing for more content coming soon and more regularly. And consider hitting that notification bell if you want. Peace.